Hi, I'm Paige Gilbranson, and today I'm going to be talking about video modeling. Um, for a little background about the client that I used for the video modeling intervention was he is a 9-year-old boy. He does have autism, and um, he is not very verbal. He's vocal, but he does not functionally use language. But he is able to watch the videos, and then we found that he is able to actually complete the action by using the videos rather than when we use our words. He will just repeat the words that we say, and this way he is able to actually complete the actions that we have been trying to get him to learn the new skills. So what we were working on with video modeling is this is a schedule on a ChoiceWorks app. I know it's kind of hard to see. It's easier to see the videos on here. But basically the top says kitchen chores, and there's little icons of each chore. So it says first I need to, and then if you hit the icon, it goes to the video model. And this is actually my client completing the task that we are trying to get him to do. So it is actually really cool that we're doing it in this format because it's a little different than your traditional video modeling where somebody might just videotape the entire thing and then go back and have them watch it. This is step-by-step of a chore list. So he can go through, and if we hand this device to him, he can take the chore list and actually go through step-by-step and be able to figure out what he needs to do and exactly how to do what he needs to do. So we're teaching the whole chore list as a routine, and within each step of the list, so then if he's done sweeping, we slide the icon to all done, and then he can go to the next thing on his list. So then the next thing on his list would be clean table. So then he can see that first he needs to use a spray bottle and spray the table, and then he has to wipe the table. And then he knows that once he's done with that, the task is complete and he can slide it to all done. Meaning that the next task is to put away the dirty dishes. So he can see himself putting away the dishes. There's the sink and the dishwasher, and he can see himself taking the dishes out of the sink and putting them into the dishwasher. So he knows exactly what he needs to do for that task to be complete. And then once all of the dishes are gone out of here, and into the dishwasher, he knows that he is then all done. So then he can switch the task to all done. And then next, he has to empty a dishwasher, if the dishwasher, depending on how the dishwasher is that day. So now he is taking the items out of the dishwasher, and he is putting them up on the stove. If you saw, he's putting the dishes onto the stove because we don't want him to try to climb up onto the cabinets. They're still a little too high. So his chore for this particular skill of emptying the dishwasher is to take the dishes out of the sink and then put them on the stove. So then the next, an adult can put them up and away safely. So he is not learning to do that. So then he can slide this to all done. The next thing we do is to sort. So he's going to be able to sort the silverware, and he can see himself sorting the utensils into each slot. And once the bin of the silverware is gone, he is all done with the task. So then he would watch this, he would go do the task, come back here, slide the sorting to all done. And then at this time, we are stacking the books onto the shelf, which this is another cleaning task that we are trying to teach him, is putting the books away. He really likes to play with books, so this way he's able to put the books away when he is done using them. And then one of his favorite things to do is to take books off the shelf and stack them at the bottom. So at the end of everything, he is able to then play with the books, and he can take the books off, and then he knows that he has to put them back on, but he is able to actually take them off and play with them. So at the end, he gets to do that, and then he gets to choose whether he wants the playground or more books as a reward. So this is how we use our video modeling for this particular client in this particular intervention. We go through and we use each step, and we teach the whole series of skills within this one chore chart. So it's really neat. It's something different that I have not used video modeling for before. So it is really cool. And that is video modeling. Thank you.